Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. Today, we are excited to introduce our Smart Dustbin, a modern solution designed to simplify waste disposal. Our prototype utilizes an ultrasonic sensor for hands-free operation and a servo mechanism to automatically manage the lid. We'll show you how this combination creates a more hygienic and convenient way to handle trash. But before we start the demo, let me introduce first the members and their role in creating this project. So we have here Faminia Lagaw Julia Sofia speaking for introduction and discussion about the prototype. Then we have Osit Miguel Ramses for stimulation and documentation of the circuit diagram using Tinker CAD. And Maceda Ethan Dwayne for discussion including sensor datasheets with a short explanation about the parameters. Then we also have Villa Gracia Manuel for demonstration and explanation of the working prototype, Inohales Lester for explanation of components, circuit, and real-world application, Permejo Samantha Nicole for discussion about the importance of IoT and how our system works. And last we have here Herb David for code explanation.
Good day everyone, my name is Miguel Ramses Osit. I'm here to give you a brief explanation about our Arduino project, the Smart Dustbin with ultrasonic sensor and servo motor. So we have three components here: the ultrasonic distance sensor, micro servo, Arduino Uno R3. So for the wiring, the VCC here is connected to the 5 volts, the trigger is connected to the D6, the echo is the D5, and the ground here connected to the ground area. So for our micro servo motor, the ground here is connected to the ground power. The power here is connected to the 5 volts also, but in our real Arduino we connected it to the 3.3 volts. So lastly, our signal is connected to our D9. So ang ginagawa nito is magde-detect siya ng object dito sa harapan, and after niya mag-detect ng object, magbibigay siya ng signal dito sa Arduino, and after naka-receive ng signal ang Arduino is magbibigay siya ng signal dito sa micro servo. So ang gagawin ng micro servo is magro-rotate siya ng 180 degrees, meaning magbubukas ang dustbin natin or garbage can natin. So after bumukas ng dustbin natin, meron siyang 4 seconds delay, meaning siya ang time para magtapon ng basura. So after ng 4 seconds, babalik siya sa dati niyang position, meaning nagsara na yung dustbin. So susubukan natin siya. Dito sa ating ultrasonic distance sensor, nag-set tayo ng 50 centimeters na distance. So in our reading here, 179 centimeters lang. So napakalayo. So ilalapit natin siya. Let's say itong bolang to is yung daliri natin or yung basura natin na itatapon. So paglapit niya sa 50 centimeters, bubukas siya. And after 4 seconds, magsasara ulit. So bubuksan ulit natin again. After 4 seconds, magro-rotate ulit siya. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Ethan Dwayne B. Maceda, and for today, I will be explaining the Ultrasonic Ranging Module HCSRO4, which is the main sensor used in our Smart Trash Bin project. So this sensor is responsible for detecting whether a hand or object is near the trash bin, which then triggers the servo motor to open the lid. The HCSRO4 is a non-contact distance sensor, meaning it can distance without touching the object. It thus by using ultrasonic sound waves similar to how bats and dolphins navigate. So according to the datasheet, this module can measure distances from 2 centimeters up to 400 centimeters, and it has a very good accuracy of about positive negative 3 millimeters. So how does it work? So the sensor has two main components: a transmitter, it sends out a sound wave, and a receiver that listens for the echo of that sound wave. So when we send a short 10 microsecond trigger signal to the trig bin, the module emits 840 kilohertz ultrasonic pulses, then it waits for the echo to return. The time it takes for the echo to come back is converted to the distance. So in simple, imagine shouting inside a cave and hearing your echo. The closer the wall is, the faster the echo returns. The HCSRO4 does the same thing. But instead of your voice, it uses ultrasonic sound which humans cannot hear. So this datasheet gives us the formula: distance is equals to time times speed of sound divided by 2. So the speed of sound is 340 meters per second. Then if the speed of sound is 340 meters per second, we divide it by 2 because the sound travels to the object and back. So basically we measure how long the sound took to return and turn that into the distance. So this module has 4 pins: the VCC, which connects to the 5V power, the trig, or which is the one who receives the trigger signal, and the echo, which outputs the returning pulse signal, and the GND, which is the ground. So the parameters is the working voltage is about 5 volts. The current consumption is about 15 milliampere MA. The frequency, which is 40 kilohertz ultrasonic pulse, and its minimum range is about 2 centimeters. The maximum range of the sensor is about 400 centimeters, and the measuring angle is about 15 degrees. So the sensor works on regular Arduino 5V, which uses very small power and detects objects straight in front of it, but not to the sides. So in summary, the HCSRO4 ultrasonic sensor is reliable and accurate distance sensor that measures how far an object is using ultrasonic sound waves by detecting a hand near the trash bin. It helps automate the lid opening mechanism, making the system touch-free and more convenient to use. And that will be all. Thank you.
So, yung smart dustbin with an ultrasonic sensor is an automatic contactless waste bin that uses sensor technology to improve hygiene, efficiency, and convenience in waste management. So, ito yung small innovation with big world impact. So, saan nga ba siya natin pwedeng gamitin? So, in a real world application. So, una is pwedeng sa public places like malls, parks, street. So, yung people can throw garbage without touching the bin. It's more hygienic and convenient. So, some advanced version of also alert cleaners when the bin is full. So next is yung sa hospitals and yung like clinics and hospitals. Doctors and patient avoid touching waste bins, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. So dito naman, na-apply natin siya sa health and safety. So like especially useful in biohazard waste disposal areas. Next is yung like in schools and offices. So proper waste disposal habits among students and staff because it's interactive and automatic. And next is yung sa mga bahay natin, like pwede siya mag-promote ng proper hygiene, especially diba sa kitchen, ganun. Then nagdadagdag siya ng convenience. Kahit hindi na natin hawakan yung bin, kahit habang madumi yung ating kamay. So, ayun yung para sa akin na application ng smart dustbin with ultrasonic sensor.
So the components that we use for this project is, first of all, the SG90 micro servo motor. This component, it provides a precise and controlled movements, making it ideal for projects that needs rotation or positioning like robotic arms or sensor mechanism. Second one is the Arduino Uno, of course. It is the main controller that process inputs from sensors and sends commands to components like motors. It is the brain of the system, managing how everything works together. Third one is ultrasonic sensor. This component is used to measure distance by sending and receiving sound waves. It is essential for objects detection and obstacle avoidance in automation and robotics. The fourth one is male-to-male jumper wires. These wires are important for connecting components on a breadboard, allowing signals and power to flow between the Arduino and the other modules. Then last one is the male-to-female jumper wires. These wires are used to connect modules or sensors directly to the Arduino pins, providing a flexible and reliable connections between different types of terminals.
Good day everyone, I am Samantha Nicole Permejo and I am going to explain why IoT is important and how does our system works. So first, our project is called Smart Dustbin with Ultrasonic Sensor and Servo. So basically, our idea is to make a dustbin that opens on its own when someone comes close. No need to touch the lid. It is a simple project, but it shows how automation and IoT can make everyday things a lot smarter and more hygienic. Why IoT is important? The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects everyday devices to the internet or to each other so they can collect data and react automatically. It is used in smart homes, smart cities, health systems, and you name it. It helps save time, energy, and effort. For example, smart bins in cities can alert when they are full and open automatically to avoid contact, like what we built here. So, how does our system work? So, as explained earlier, we use an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, and a servo motor. The ultrasonic sensor measures how far an object is. When it detects something closer than 15 cm like our hand, the Arduino tells the servo motor to lift the lid. And when we move our hand away, it closes again automatically. We tested and simulated the circuit in Tinkercad before making it real. So in short, our smart dustbin uses simple components but show how IoT can make small tasks like throwing away trash easier, cleaner, and more automatic.
My name is David Herdat. Ako ang mag-explain sa code. So first is include Servo. Siya yung library na gagamitin natin for sa servo motor. Siya yung hihila sa prototype namin na dustbin. So kailangan niya yung library para gumana. Next is Servo. So ito yung variable niya. Kine-create natin yung object na servo. Tapos next is int trig 5, tapos int echo 6, int servo 9. So naglagay tayo ng mga comments para hindi natin malimutan kung ano yung mga silbi niya. Ito yung mga pin 5, 6, 9 sa Arduino Uno. Makikita natin yung numbering doon. So doon siya nakakonect 5, 6, 9. Ito yung pang-trigger ng sensor. Ito yung pang-receive ng echo signals. Ito yung pang-control ng servo motor. Tapos, next is long AVER. Siya yung array. Nag-store ng readings. Setup. Start ng serial communication at 9,600 bits per second. Allows printing messages para sa serial monitor natin. Ito, serial monitor. Next is the pin mode defines yung trigger pin as output and echo as input. Tapos servo right and start with lid closed, so 180 yung servo. And in delay, pauses the program for pag 100 milliseconds to ensure servo reaches the position bago mag-continue. Ito naman, sends a short trigger pulse to start measuring distance. So, low. So, parang reset. So, send sound pulse. Yung high for 15. And digital right trig low. Parang high-low. Next is ito naman, so measures the time taken by the echo, converts time to distance in centimeters. Ito yung loop, yung nagre-read for distance, tapos yung delay for measurement between small pause between measurements. Ito, nagka-calculate and calculate average distance. Tapos ito yung parang condition. Kung ang madedetect niyang distance is less than 20 centimeters. So, pwede man palitan kung masyadong maraming nadedetect. Pwede mo gawing 3, sobrang lapit, or 10 para hindi siya sobrang sensitive. And eto, so naglagay kami ng para sa serial monitor na pan-check. So, testing ko siya ngayon. Kung pag naglagay ako, ayan, opening, closing, and bababa na siya, and closed. So, ayan po ang code namin para sa smart dustbin with ultrasonic sensor and servo motor. Thank you.